So September 25th, I went down to Lowe's 2 days ago with my neighbor's F-150, picked up 11 of these. I got 40 feet, 9 inches to do today. You can see there's plastic I put over, basically just protected, but what I'm doing is I'm cleaning up a little concrete, so some of the rebar work. And basically, it's about 10:30. Got a late start yesterday, but managed to get 6 of the panels in. You can see one down there that I still got to lop off a little bit, but got a little bit of a technique down. Here was where the foundation was too narrow for me to put in a backing board, and you can see the mole was busy down there again. Basically, I set up the boards here, test fit them, cut them, oil them, and install them. And you see it's going pretty good. About ready to pour. Was hoping to get that done today, but rather want to get the boards up nice. I put these little guys down here just to pull the boards in tight. The concrete pushes, but I noticed one time concrete got between the two boards and then it wasn't flat down there. So this basically is 3/4 inch plywood. Shit's expensive nowadays. And where you see it doubled, the first board's actually bolted down. You can kind of see one of the concrete bolts. So I have a ton of concrete bolts on both sides. Double it up where I need to. Might backfill it with some dirt, kind of like what the mole did up here. But that's my work area. Put in a lot of rebar. So let's see all the rebar work I've done. Anyways, looking forward to getting a nice pour today. This week.